I am now going to be trying the most aggressive IA optimizer strategy we have with Pocket Option Auto Trader. I'm going to take 5 trades on 5-second close. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, you can have this binary option robot completely for free, works on desktop and on cell phone. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start the bot and let's see which type of win rate we get in this video. So now let's start the bot. He will now start to collect all information he needs from the chart. Afterwards, everything he needs from the strategy that we are using. So he's taking now the first trade already. I told you he's aggressive. That one did turn into a win. So 1 win, 0 losses. Amazing. The second trade, I did see that a win, but okay. I did see him below. Sometimes we are not getting exactly what we are seeing, but still we have a 6-7 now. We have 2 wins, 1 loss, 1 more win. We have 3 win, 1 loss. We need 1 more trade. This is going super fast. And that one was a good win, and there you have it. I told you, super aggressive, but we got a 80% win rate. I will say this 1 loss, for me that looks like a win, but sometimes it's like this. It's small movements when you talk about 5 seconds, so I take it, but still. 4 wins, 1 loss, 80% win rate, $2,648. That is good in my book and should be in yours also. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, it's completely for free. Link about video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And if you have any question at all, you can just leave them below the video at X and YouTube. I reply to every single comment I get. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.